Hi everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a stunning double exposure effect using Adobe Premiere Pro, as you can see on the screen. So, let's get started. Alright, now we are inside Premiere Pro. As you can see in the timeline, I have got a video clip. First of all, we have to duplicate this video clip. You can do this by holding the Alt key combined with the left mouse button, and then drag the video clip one track up. In total, we need 2 copies. Next, select the top video layer, and then move over to the Effects panel to add an effect. This is a tint effect. Let's drag and drop this tint effect to the top video layer. After that, move over to the Effect Controls panel to customize the tint effect. Now, from the Motion Control panel, we have to make the X position value of the position parameter around 1196. And then, let's make the scale parameter value around 138. Next, from the opacity panel, we have to change the blend mode. I am going to select screen. Lastly, from the tint effect, we have to change the matte black color. You can use any color that you like. I am going to use my selected color code. And then, click on OK. After that, let's change the map white color. You can use any color that you like. I am going to use my selected color code. And now, click on OK. Lastly, we have to make the tint amount value around 12%. Alright, our top footage is complete. As you can see on the program monitor, our double exposure effect has been created. If we turn off the top video clip, you can see this is our original footage. If we turn on the top video clip, you can see our double exposure has been created. In the next step, we have to use some effects to give a stunning look to this double exposure. Let's select the bottom video clip. From the opacity panel, we have to create a mask. Let's click on this Ellipse Mask icon. Now you can see on the program monitor, our Ellipse Mask has been created. To create the mask perfectly, we will open the ruler panel on the program monitor and use the ruler to create the perfect size. Let's select the program monitor and then move over to the view panel. Then, click on this Show Ruler panel. Now, you can see the ruler panel is open on the program monitor. In the next step, pull the ruler and we will take the perfect size. You can follow my program monitor to take your size. Now you can see, I took a size perfectly. In the next step, the point on the left side of the mask should be pulled up to this position. Next, the point on the right side of the mask should be pulled up to this position. After that, the point on the up side of the mask should be pulled up to this position. And lastly, the point on the down side of the mask should be pulled up to this position. As you can see on the program monitor, our mask is perfect. Now we don't need the rulers. So, let's remove the rulers. Again, move over to the View panel, and then, click on this Show Ruler option to disable the Rulers panel. Next, let's make the mask feather value around 250. After that, we have to make the mask expansion value around 297. Now you can see on the program monitor, a shadow has been created. Now, let's move over to the Effects panel to apply some effects. Firstly, we have to apply the tint effect to the bottom video clip. And then, I am going to apply another effect. This is a brightness and contrast effect. Let's drag and drop the brightness and contrast effect to the bottom video clip. After that, we have to apply another effect. This is an echo effect. Let's drag and drop the echo effect to the bottom video clip. Now let's move over to the Effect Controls panel to customize all the effects. First of all, from the tint effect, we have to change the matte black color. You can use any color that you like. I am going to use my selected color code. And then, click on OK. After that, let's change the map white color. You can use any color that you like. I am going to use my selected color code. And now, click on OK. After that, we have to make the tint amount value around 12%. In the next step, from the brightness and contrast effect, let's make the contrast value around 35. After that, from the echo effect, let's make the echo time value around 1. Lastly, from the echo operator parameter, we have to select the screen. Alright, now we are done. We have successfully created a double exposure effect in Premiere Pro. In this way, you can create a double exposure effect in Premiere Pro. Feel free to experiment with different clips and effects to achieve unique results. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Premiere Pro tutorials.